What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So subscribe for more tech 8 money related videos. So in this video we're going to be reviewing a ring light. So we get straight into the video. So unboxing of the ring light is what this video is all about. So I'll remove it out of the box, and then at the end of the video I'm going to show you how the tripod stand that comes with the ring light looks like. So these are all the basic accessories that you're going to have once you unbox your ring light. So you've got this, and then you've got that other item right there. So removing it out of the plastic, this is the cable, of which it's got various settings there. Once it's powered up, there's a blue light that comes on there, and then as you can see there are various settings. So there's plus, there's switching the color, there's reducing the brightness, and then there's turning it on. So I'll turn it on. So this is how it looks like when it's on. So it's got different colors that it comes with. So that's at maximum brightness, and then you can reduce the brightness. I hope you can see the difference. So it's down. So there's only 3 colors that you can pick from. So there's this color, that color, and this color. But from the 3, I think this is my favorite. So it's got 3 simple buttons there, 4 simple buttons there: the power on, off, reducing the brightness or increasing the brightness, and then switching the color to your preference. About these, so this is used for your phone. It's a stand for your phone. So you unscrew it first, then this knob here is what goes in there. So you push it, it clamps like that, and then you come and screw that there, and then it can change shapes. You can make it into whatever direction you want, and then make sure it's tight there. And then I get my ring light, and then there's that socket right there. So this is where you screw this end. So I'll just do that. So just make sure that it's tight enough so that it can fully support your phone, whatever device you want to mount there. So this is how it looks like basically when it's mounted. So like I said earlier, this is a 12-inch ring light. So let me show you the tripod that comes with this ring light. It's a simple 3-legged tripod, as tri means 3. So let me quickly show you on how it looks like. So this is basically the tripod that comes with the ring light. So it's the one I'm actually using to hold my phone, because my YouTube setup is not yet 100% complete. I'm still waiting for some equipment. This is how it basically looks like. So there you can mount your phone, or you can mount your ring light. So depending on what you have, that screw is compatible for a phone. There's a phone holder, and then it's also compatible for a ring light. And then you've got this first knob here, so you can adjust that, unscrew it, and increase the length. There's that other one there. You can also do the same, unscrew and adjust the length. So it's got 2 adjustment points. So this knob here and this other knob right there. And then this knob is what you use to adjust the base. So, and it pops out like that. It pops out like that once it's unscrewed. So if I want, I can take it back. If I'm done with whatever I was using it, I just simply pull it up like this, and I close it. So once closed, that's how it looks like. So that's the base right there. It's a pretty neat, decent tripod, I think. So that's the first adjustment point, and then the second adjustment length. So I'll take this one back. So this is the second adjustment point. The first one is that one. I've taken it a bit inside, I've taken it back inside, and then the first is this one here. It's a pretty tall tripod, almost measuring 2 meters in height. So this is pretty much it. So this is our tripod, and this is our ring light. So it comes as a set. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Let me know your comments on the ring light, and do you like it? What are your recommendations? What are your comments over the same? What are your thoughts about this ring light? So thank you so much for sticking out this far. Stay safe, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.